Hi everybody, Lisa here. Today I'm going to be doing a quick little painting. I'm working with a 6x6 gallery wrapped stretched canvas, and I've already put a base coat of white on this. I've got a cup of leftover paint from another video. The colors are purple and yellow. I like to say purple and gold, but they're purple and yellow. And I'm just going to do a really quick flip cup on this and let's see what happens. Let it set for a moment. Okay, we let the cup sit for a couple moments, so let's pull it up and see what we have. Oh wow, that's cool. That right there looks like a fossil. That's awesome. I don't even want to stretch it out. Anyway, that is super cool. I don't even want to lose that, but I know I'm going to. Darn. Maybe I can stretch it out a little bit and then pull it over the edges. Let's see. It is super cool. If you haven't noticed, I'm working today with my painting pyramids. I was going to put my thumbtacks in, but with these thicker gallery canvases, they're really hard to push in there. I'm loving this so far. It's so cool. Okay, this is just too cool. I'm loving this. It looks like some kind of alien garden. I don't know, but this is amazing to me. I've never had anything like this before. So I'm gonna stop right there because I'm loving it. I'm gonna torch it though, one more time. I hope it dries like this. I want you guys to stay tuned for close-ups on this. And I'd like to thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye.